This is a great way to blow up the real smoke in the video. First you need to download the Smoke Overlays pack, and you can download this pack under the description. Inside this pack you will get 5 smoke video files. Now let's see how to use them inside the Premiere Pro. First import your video. Then add your footage to the timeline. Now import Smoke Overlays. Now select the smoke, then just drag and drop it to the timeline. Now go to Effects, Control and Blend Mode, select Screen. At last, change the smoke effect opacity 60%. In the same way, make another smoke effect on your video. If you enjoy this smoke overlay pack, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.